Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about, can you see if someone muted you on TikTok 2026? Well, the answer is TikTok does not notify you or provide a direct way to see if someone has muted you, as the feature is designed to be completely private. However, you can look for behavior signs, such as sudden drop in their likes, views, or comments on your post, because muting is entirely hidden. The community consists or consensus on platform like other platforms. Because muting is entirely hidden, the community consensus on other platforms suggests looking for indirect clues to confirm your suspicions, like checking for interactions. If they have stopped interacting or commenting or liking with your content, then it is a high sign. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.